Cheng Cheng, if you could please share your screen and walk us through. Don't forget, we want to see code, we want to see tests, we want to see all the stuff that makes the demo, not just the interface if you made an interface.
Hello.
Hey there.
Uh, can you see my screen?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, that's cool. So as you can see, we have deployed our application here. It's on my personal VPS, and the application is called Riddle. We came out of this idea because in China, after the New Year, especially the fifth day after the New Year, we have the festival which is called Lantern Day. During this day, you can hang out with your family, and in the street, as you can see, for example, we have some lanterns, and every lantern you can see some riddle. You can say basically it's a question. So when you hang out with your family, you can try to guess the answer of the question. Basically, we don't have during this day, even you have successfully guessed the answer, but there isn't a bonus. So we would like to bring this idea into blockchain system. So we just come up with the idea. During in this platform, everyone can submit their question. For example, I can submit a question like result of 1+1. This isn't a good example because everyone can get it. So I can choose, for example, it's a category kind math, and it's easy. Submit a form. Basically, I need to pay for the question, so that if somebody gets the correct answer, he can get the bonus. Okay, with my account. So it's transferred to the contract law. So if I want to see the riddle list, you can click here to get all the questions, and we can see the difficulty. If we click, for example, one question, we can then, for example, we can try to reply. If we successfully get the answer, so basically we will win the bonus of 1 year. So as you can see, because I have given the right answer. So basically I think I had the bonus. Check. As you can see, for example, the log shows.
Can you zoom into that? Because it's quite small.
Can you see the log? So we got the log here, and shows basically I've given the correct answer, and I successfully replied to the riddle 11. So I basically win the bonus. That's basically the idea. We would like to have this in blockchain because sometimes we need to ask some questions, and sometimes, for example, if the parents they just want to give some task to their children. it can basically use our platform. For example, currently it's a little bit ugly, but I think in some cases it's quite useful. So this is basically our website, and you can see here it's a contract code.
Can you zoom in a little bit, please?
Zoom in a little bit, please. Yes, sure. It's better.
It's okay for me, I think.
Okay, from me, I think. Okay. Okay. So the design is we will have different categories of riddle, so that people can choose what they are interested in, and we also have we have different level of difficulty. This basically
If you're talking, we can't hear you. We still can't hear you. Okay, no problem, yeah. So while we're waiting for Chang to reconnect, does anybody have any questions, or does anybody have anything they want to cover? Has anybody else felt like they're ready to do a demo to add to the list, or talk about their idea, maybe share a partially implemented idea, anything like that?
Hello?
Yeah, welcome back.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. I'm not sure how many seconds to we lost. So
no,
I'm sorry.
No, don't worry at all, please. You were at just over maybe 7 minutes and 5 seconds when you disconnected. So 3 more minutes.
Okay.
I would love to see your code. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, yes. So we have made 4 functions in the contract code.
Can you share your screen again, please, because we can't see.
Sorry, I'm silly.
No problem at all.
No problem at all. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we have 4 functions, and they are basically add riddle and answer riddle. They are right, as you can see here. And here we got two functions, get riddles and get riddle of kind. And we have also some unit tests here, as you can see. We did some tests, for example, the creation of the contract and add a new contract. Also, it needs to mention that the answer is hash. We use the SHA 256 to hash the answer, because in blockchain every block basically all the data is transparent. So we need to use the hash. Otherwise, every people can get the answer directly.
Yeah, you're using that to hide the answer.
Yeah,
that's great.
So
that's great.
Yeah. So we have some function here, and we have tested the add riddle, answer riddle, and get riddles. Yeah, basically all. We use the Rust to write the contract, and our front end is written in Vue.js, as you can see, we have some basic code for the front end here. So we have 2 pages. Basically, they are this part and this part. They are together, and we have the page read and write. Yeah. We can also sign out. There are some we had it while we're creating the app. It's created automatically by the tool of Lear. So we can log in. Also, if somebody can help testing, I think you can help. You can just, for example, create some questions here and try to answer it, or ask, for example, some friends to answer. Okay, so that's basically all of what we have done.
Okay, that's great.
Okay,
so
that's great.
So it exactly 10 minutes.
Exactly 10 minutes.
And thank you so much for the invitation to test the application, try other people. That's wonderful.
That's wonderful.
Does anybody have any questions for Zheng Zheng?